So here is the ProScan Action Cam and etc. that I will be selling as a package. ProScan Action Cam with housing. And we got the waterproof housing, which has the different attachment. This one is a screw. This one is the attachment like a GoPro. Got the owner's manual, and then I got a cheap cable, charge cable to go with it. And that is what I'm including with it. I'm going to take this out on a test drive here this spring. So you can see what the videos look like again. This is my most popular video. So I'm going to revisit the ProScan Action Cam.
Did not know what to expect. Ooh, those are rocks. Oh, hell yeah. Totally. I almost fell off of it. I think that's pretty much it. Not very spectacular about it. Watching car is coming. Alright, so greetings peoples, folks, and space aliens. We are on, ProScan. This is a ProScan video. There's some steps over here. So you can kind of see what the ProScan looks like and how it works. This is the most popular video of all times for me, was the video I did with this. So here we go. Here we go. So this is actually pretty cool if you got like monster speeds. Oh! Wow! I almost threw myself sideways. Super sideways slanted. I forget exactly the thing. He's turning. Can you hop up on a steep curb? Absolutely! These steps down here are like the magic. Turn on my... I love these steps. They are my favorite thing. Lost all of them all at once. Blows through my travel. So I hope you get an idea what the ProScan is like for an action cam. I think it's actually a pretty good action cam. If I had a choice, I'd probably keep this one over the Activeon. Are you surprised? Well, it has its advantages. For a cheap action cam, it actually does a pretty good job. So I'll put them both out there for sale, see which one sells, and then I might end up keeping one of them. Or I might sell them both. I might actually upgrade my GoPro. So that's one of the... I've always wanted to do that, but it's a little steep.
Alright, so there is the chest harness that I have, that I use. It's a Garmin chest harness with a riser. That's what that blue thing is. So this sits on my chest, and this comes up underneath my chin. This is set up the old way. Now I'm doing it upside down for the cameras down here. But that's the ProScan mounted on there with that doodad thing I have. I only have one of them, so I'm going to send that with one of these cameras, probably the Activeon. You can see the little screw here, but the ProScan is actually on there pretty tight. I got a washer in there, rubber washer, and we're going to go out and just see what this looks like. But you can see what the GoPro looks like compared to these as well in this video.